Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here and I have the pleasure to present to you my very first fall theme on my channel this year. And yeah, I'm super happy with it. Normally I'm not a huge fan of deep red nails, but I love fall and I found a red that I actually love, and I love how everything turned out. For this set as well, I used my super cheap plastic tips from China. Can you notice that? I was amazed because until last week I had no idea that you can just use these basic plastic tips with a little bit of base coat to burn them onto your nail under your UV LED lamp, and I'm amazed how well they hold up. So this is the back of the tips with a lot of different sizes, and I think they are not too thick, especially the nail bed area, as you can see here, is nice and thin. Yeah, and I just came across a video in YouTube showing that you can brand or burn these tips with a top coat base, with the base coat layer on your fingernail, as I'm showing here. So you can see my index finger is already done, middle finger is on and shaped and filed, and here I'm doing my pinky. So I come in with my base coat, apply that to my nail. I already found the correct size and I'm pressing it down here. Actually, it wasn't necessary to press it down that hard because first you have to switch your lamp on, and then I'm coming in from the other side with my hand to hold down the tip so it's nice and neat on the nail. Flash cure that, and there you go. It's super firm already. Okay, and here are the nails. As you can see, I have to shape them, and I'm doing exactly the same thing on my other hand in a moment. And guys, I had no time, okay? So this recording is from last Saturday, and I was sick the entire week. I was down with a heavy cold, and then on Saturday noon, me and my husband decided to go on a spontaneous weekend trip with an overnight stay in a hotel. So I went to my room because I wanted to have nice nails, and I had no time. Okay, so I'm recording here, and my overall recording time was around 50 minutes, maybe. And all the time my hands were shaking and I had to show all the nail skill that I acquired so far for this video. Okay, so I'm putting the nails on my right hand. Here the nail is on. Yeah, and I did not fit them perfectly, as you can see on the side walls of the nails, but no time, okay? And nobody is going to look at your nails as close and critically as you will. So I thought to myself, F it, I'm doing the best I can here, all right? So putting on the nails, I'm amazed how firm they are on my natural nail, and I'm coming in. I just cut them to the length I want them, and then I shape them with my hand file. Was a little bit weird to file a plastic nail, but yeah, I got used to it. In the back, all the time I hear my husband packing his backpack, and God bless him, he did not once call me or stress me out. He was packing his stuff. I think he was convinced that I would be on time. So I hear him in the background, and all the time I'm thinking, okay, once I'm done with my nails here, I have literally 15-20 minutes to throw my stuff into my backpack, go to the car, and off we go, okay? But anyway, I'm moving along fine here. Once my nails are shaped, I'm coming in with some cleanser. And this is the gel polish that I choose that for my red nails. And obviously I did not put artificial tip on my thumbs because I think I was out of the correct size. Normally I use these plastic tips for my showcase nails, as you might be already aware of, and no fine art brush for the nail bed area here or my side walls. Okay, I do one layer of the red gel polish. Exactly the same with the white, one layer, no fine brush for the more delicate works, let's say. Just I'm moving along as neat as I can with the brush from the bottle, and all the time I think, okay, it has to be all right, it just has to, and if not, well, it was a try. And I think for that amount of time pressure that I had, everything turned out fine. So I cure everything under my lamp for 60 seconds. I come in with top coat, cure that as well. And all I did before we had to take off was that I did a bit of a gradient for my middle finger and my ring finger on both of my hands, of course. So here, same thing with my right hand. And I'm amazed that you cannot even see me shaking in the video, but I was trembling so much with my hand. Wow, the time pressure, that was something else. I'm super proud of myself how everything turned out. So here I'm coming in with a sponge and a bit of the red gel polish together with some pink, and it did not turn out as I was hoping it would. Here it is a huge mess, but I'm making it work. So I just smooth out the first sponged layer, cure that under my lamp, and then I did a second, and then there was no more time. Okay, so I just sponged that on, 2 layers left, 2 layers right, cleaning the mess in my nail bed area, and then I top coated, and I had no time for anything else. But I would say roughly that was 40 minutes. So again, guys, super proud. Then I left the nails as they were. I thought, yeah, it is already a quite nice effect. And let's continue with the fall set and what makes it like really the fall set after the weekend. So yeah, sponge, 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 smooth everything out. Then I come in with the top coat here. And this is how I went into the weekend. It looks a bit messy, but I was able to clear out the nail bed area a bit more. So here we are already in our hotel room on the trip, and I was very happy with my nails. However, Sunday evening we were back, and I was back with my painting gels in order to paint on some nice leaves on the white nails. So I'm coming in with the red gel polish and the yellow, and I'm mixing everything together with my painting gels in order to obtain some nice fall colors. And all I do is I come in with the finest dotting tool that I have. I put a bigger dot on the free edge of my nail, and then I come in with 2 smaller dots below it. And from these 3 dots forming a triangle, I start creating my first leaf. And guys, this is the first fall leaf I'm painting on the free edge of my nail in my life. Never done that. So I'm super happy how it turned out. So as you can see, I'm elongating the big dot first, and then I'm connecting the smaller dots to the big dot. Then I'm dragging some spikes out from the smaller dots, trying to make the spikes on top a bit more prominent, and then I'm painting everything down, drawing a tiny stem in the back, and there we go. This is my first fall leaf, and I'm super happy with that. The moment you are happy with something that you paint onto your nail, flash cure it, guys. You do not want to hit that or smudge anything, so immediately flash cure. I think I flash cure every leaf in between for 10 seconds under my lamp. So here we go, this is already flash cured and nothing can run. Then I'm coming in with one dot and I'm just elongating that dot into a normal leaf. So normal leaf means kind of an oval pointy shape, and of course your brain will make that into a normal fall leaf. And I'm alternating between these normal leaves and these more pointy. My husband says it looks like a maple leaf. I was going for more like an oak leaf style, but anyway, I think it turned out beautiful and the leaf is quite visible and easy to recognize. What do you think, guys? Do you think I did a good job? I think I did a good job. Even with the tiny stem in the back. Yeah, very happy with that. I still have these nails on. They held on amazingly. In the hotel, I took a 1-hour bath in a very, very hot tub. Nothing fell off, nothing splintered, so they held up. They are holding up amazing. And yeah, every time I look at my hand-painted leaves, I just get such a kick out of it. This is really my thing, guys. So happy with that. So this is where we are, and I do the same thing on my right hand in a moment. And as you can see, because leaves are not perfectly balanced, okay, you have like some leaves a bit closer to your free edge, and then you have like a normal leaf and etc. You have to even your free edge out. So once I'm done with all the leaves, I come in with my dotting tool again and I just put tiny dots in between the leaves, and this balances out the arch of your painted free edge. Do you know what I mean? It pulls the entire picture and what you painted on the free edge together and makes the overall image nicer and more balanced. I think that makes sense, and I'm showing you in a moment what I mean. So here, a dot there, makes it also more autumny, you could say. Like these red autumn berries that you can see in a forest walk. So here we go. These are my very first hand-painted fall leaves, and guys, are you able to see that I'm wearing Chinese plastic tips for my nails? I'm super amazed. I'm super happy how they turned out. Hope you like them. Let me know in the comments below, and I hope I see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.